A we had completed yesterday. Now we have to solve B exercise of adverbs. As per the question, rewrite the following sentences using the adverbs in brackets in the right place. Answer. Okay. I'm asking from Garima. I will unmute you for this sentence because it is a long sentence. So reply me. Garima Manglani. You are not able to hear? Okay. Onik. Onik, can you reply me the first sentence? Naina Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, reply me the answer of first sentence.
After the lesson, we must write a test also.
Yes. After the lesson, we must write a test also. That is correct. Good. Second sentence. Dev.
Yes, ma'am.
Second sentence.
Mohit drives his bicycle very carefully.
Yes. This is also correct. Mohit drives his bicycle very carefully. Third sentence. Shrishti has raised her hand. Yes, Shrishti.
We went to see the football match yesterday.
No. That will be yesterday. Will be
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
come in.
yesterday we went. Ma'am, both we can write. Yesterday we went to see the football match.
Yesterday, after that, you will put a comma. And then
Yes,
the
ma'am.
whole sentence, we went to see
We
the
went to see the
football
football
match.
match.
Okay. Fourth one, Pavani Bansal. Yes,
To
Pavani.
Scotland too. Ma'am,
Repeat the sentence.
my brother is definitely going to Scotland soon.
Yes. My brother is definitely going to Scotland soon. That's correct. Avishi Mehta. Fifth one.
Ma'am, I was only cracking a joke.
Yes, the sentence is I was only cracking a joke. The word only will be placed before cracking. Good. So we are done with B exercise. Now coming up to the C exercise. As per the question, substitute the adverbials in italics with single word adverbs and rewrite them. You can see the italics font. Some words are in italic form and those words have to be completed changed and a single adverb word has to be put on. Like one example I am telling you. First one, you can't smoke at a public place in our country. So public place is highlighted italically and that you have to change in publicly. The adverb word will be placed as publicly. Okay? You can't smoke at a public place in our country. So you will write you can't smoke publicly in our country. Okay, second one. Second sentence, Ilesh.
Ma'am, repeat first one, please.
It was you can't smoke publicly in our country. Okay, I'm asking you the second one. He came to my office in a nervous manner. What kind, special word he will use? Adverb. Can you attempt the sentence? No. Okay. Yes, Shrishti is raising her hand.
He came to my office in a nervous manner. So the answer is he came to my office nervously.
Yes, that's absolutely correct. He came to my office
Nervously.
nervous. Third sentence. Did she reach the venue before others? Third one. Who can tell? Pavni. Third sentence.
Did she reach the venue before?
Yes, what will be the adverb?
Before everyone?
Okay. You don't- No. That's not. Again, Christy knows the answer. Naina also knows. Okay. Yes, Naina. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Third sentence.
Third, did she reach the venue firstly?
No. It's early.
Early, okay.
Okay. Did she reach the venue early? The correct adverb will be early.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The next sentence. Fourth, we worked for the whole day without stopping. So the appropriate word, yes, who will tell me? Arshit. Okay.
Ma'am, he worked for the whole day continuously.
Very good. Without stopping, the word will be replaced by continuously. We worked for the whole day continuously. Fifth sentence. Anjana came to me in an angry mood. So what will be the answer? Again, Arshit is there.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Anjana
Arshit.
came to me angrily.
Very good. The word will be angrily. Sixth, Dhoni played in the match with no fear on his face. Yes, Tapanshi.
Ma'am,
Yes, Tapanshi.
Dhoni played in the match fearlessly.
Very good. The correct word is fearlessly. So I can understand you people are fully understood with the chapter. So you are answering me. So we are done with the exercise C. Now we will go ahead with exercise D. I am sharing that page. So this is the next exercise on page 243. D exercise. Some options are also given here. First one, I am dash certain that the child is lost. Absolutely. Second, the earthquake destroyed the town. Dash. It will be completely. Okay. Some more exercises are there, which I will give chance to you all. Third one, your future success is dash up to you entirely. Entirely. Fourth one, to be dash honest, I have no clues. This will be absolutely. Fourth one, to be absolutely honest. Okay, class, in fourth one, absolutely will be there. Fifth, Ravi is dash to reach the fan. Positive degree will be there. Tall enough. Fifth one, tall enough. Sixth, the teacher will take dash your excuses. None of. It will be none of. Seventh, the incident is dash true. Absolutely true. Okay. Exercise D is completed. Now coming up to exercise E. This one is for you, and one by one you will reply me. Spot, fill in the blanks with correct adverb of manner, time, place, or direction in the following sentences. So regarding these headings, you have to select a proper adverb word. Okay. I will just give you 5 minutes when the time will left over. Then I will sort out your queries. First sentence, don't forget to win all the contests of your life dash. What will be the answer? It will be, I can tell you the form, it will be in manner. But what will be the word there to be placed? Anybody else can reply? Can anybody reply? The manner you can show bravely, you can show fearlessly. These kinds of words you can add on to show the manner. Okay? Second sentence, you will get dash if you tarry like this. The appropriate word, what can be used? You will get nothing. It's the manner. Yes. No, successfully will not come. It will be nothing. Third sentence, he returned my book dash. Here we can place the time. Okay. He returned my book. We can use time like today, yesterday. Yesterday can also be there. Immediately is also correct. Okay. Fourth, I will dash buy a new dress. I will. Yes, Tapanchi, you are right. Definitely. I will definitely buy a new dress. In fourth one, definitely. Fifth sentence, the bonnet of our car turned dash after the collision. Bonnet of our car turned dash. Answer. Can anybody answer? Black, no. Yes, Nana, it's correct. Damaged. Damaged. Collision is that the two vehicles are just hit with each other. So it will be damaged. Sixth, go dash and bring some flowers for me. It will be go fast. Yes, Ilesh and Arshit, you are right. Go fast. Seventh sentence, the squirrel climbed dash very fast. Here we can show the direction. Yes, up. Up will be there. The squirrel climbed up. Eighth sentence, go dash and remove that garbage soon. Again we can write go fast because it's an order, a command. Go fast and remove that garbage soon. So E exercise is completed. The next we have to do F exercise. Exercise F. Somebody is asking me the means of, I think, tarry. It means delayed or confused. Yes. Exercise F. Here we have to use complete the following sentences by filling in suitable interrogative adverbs. F exercise. Dash do you go for a haircut? Where? Where will be there? Where is the appropriate word? Where? Second, dash is this street so crowded? Why? In the second sentence, why? Third sentence, dash far is your school from here? Third sentence, how? Yes, everyone is correct. You are responding the answers. How? Fourth one, can you come over to my house? When? Yes, when will be there? Actually, the sentence is denoting the time. Fifth one, dash do you operate this toy? How? How is correct? Sixth, dash many students are there in your class. Again, how will be there? How many students? Seventh, dash was your experience of the magic show. How was your experience in seventh sentence? And in eighth, dash did you quit working there? Why? It will be why did you quit working there? Okay. Eighth sentence, why? Now, coming up to exercise G, replace the underlined phrases with suitable adverbs and rewrite the sentences. So first one, Arshit is asking, can we write when? No, it will be why. The reason is clearly shown. Why did you quit working there? G exercise, first one. We call our grandmother Nani with a lot of affection. Underline phrases with a lot of affection. This you have to change with a suitable adverb word. So what will be there? Affectionately. Yes, the Panchi, you are right. Affectionately. We call our grandmother affectionately, Nani affectionately. Second sentence, he has been studying dash. In the phrase there is without a break since morning. Yes, without a break will be replaced by continuously. He has been studying continuously since morning. Yes, Naina, Tapanshi, Arshit, you are also right. Third, some children danced at the party with a lot of enthusiasm. Naina, yes, you are correct. Enthusiastically. Enthusiastically. The spelling is here. After SIAS, you have to remove M and you have to put TICALLY. TICALLY, enthusiastically. We go to Kanyakumari once a year. So once a year, we go to Kanyakumari yearly. Okay. Pavni is asking, we have to write with lot of. No, that is underlined with the frame word. So you have not to write with the lot of. Only affectionately will come. Only affectionately. Yes, students, 5 minutes are left, and I told you that I will sort out your queries. So you can raise your hands if you want to ask something. I am looking here. 4 hands raised, 4 students are there. Okay, starting from Shrishti. Yes, Shrishti. Shrishti, can you hear me? Okay, she is not available. Naina.
Yes, ma'am.
You were raising hands. You want to ask anything?
Yes, ma'am. I want to ask about assessment that is written in timetable.
Yes. So what do you want to ask? The syllabus or what? What?
The teachers will see the work or weekly work or test. We are not clear about that.
Okay, you are not clear about that.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, assessment is a kind of your revision test also, but we are still not notified from the school exactly what to do. But there we were informed about when to prepare the assessments. We have to prepare a kind of revision test. So I am 70% sure that that is the revision test. Other than we will also be notified today or tomorrow, and you people will also be notified what you have to do on Saturday.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Tapanshi Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what you want to ask?
Ma'am, nothing.
You were raising the hand.
Ma'am, I forgot to lower the hands.
Okay. Dev Tyagi. Yes, Dev.